Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your Upwork contracts and payment. First, head over to Upwork and log in. Once you've logged in, to see any contracts that you've applied to and to see any payments, click on Deliver Work and click on Your Active Contracts. From here, you'll see all your active jobs, all jobs awaiting a milestone, and any payment requests that you need to put through. If you're looking for your contract and can't find it on this page, scroll down and click on View All Contracts. From here, you can see all contracts that you've worked on before. If you're still waiting on payment, you've put through the work that you needed to put through, but the person has still not paid you, simply go to your messages with that person and click on the milestone that they've sent to you. Click on View Details. From here, you'll see the details of the project, and you can see here that it says your client has 14 days from the date you submit work to pay or request changes. If they take no action by, and then it'll say what date, the funds that is held in escrow, which is basically the money that the person has put into the project in order to be able to contract you for the work, will be automatically released to you. Meaning that if they don't say anything to Upwork, then the money that they were supposed to give you will be automatically given to you. And then when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the payment details of that job. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.